phone comes with a major upgrade in the design. The Redmi 13C 5G is still made of polycarbonate for its frame and rear screen, but gets a modern appearance with flat sides and a flat rear panel. It has this unique finish which Xiaomi calls its star trail design. It shows two separate patterns, one with running lines which seems to move when you tilt the phone off axis. The second is a more familiar sparkle or shimmer. These give the phone a dual finish of sorts. While its color remains the same, it's nice to see Xiaomi get creative with an entry-level device. The phone sports a 6.74-inch 1600 by 720 pixels LCD panel, protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass 3, which is the same as on the Redmi 12 5G. There is a U-shaped display notch at the top and a thick bezel at the bottom, differentiating it well from the budget Redmi 12 5G, which has a hole punch cavity for its selfie camera and appears more premium. The display too has gotten an upgrade, now managing a 90Hz maximum screen refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate, which could be useful to gamers. As for the cameras, things remain the same as before. Xiaomi offers a 50-megapixel primary camera paired with a depth camera, which is not accessible by the user. So this is still a single camera experience. As far as the front camera is concerned, it comes with a 5-megapixel front-facing camera. It comes equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus SoC, which is a noticeable upgrade over the Redmi 12C's dated MediaTek Helio G85 SoC. There are also plenty more RAM options to choose from. There's a 4GB and 128GB storage variant, a 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, and even an 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant, all of which offer 1TB of expandable storage. All of these variants also offer up to 8GB of expandable virtual RAM. The Redmi 13C 5G gets the same battery as its predecessor in capacity, which was 5000 mAh. However, Xiaomi has managed to increase the charging speeds from 10 watt to 18 watt, which should be a lot faster. However, Xiaomi continues to offer a 10 watt charger in the box. And yes, this also means that there's a Type-C port at the bottom instead of a micro USB port on the previous model. The Redmi 13C 5G seems like a well-rounded update, but it's all expected to show up with a higher price tag, which is something Xiaomi will reveal in the coming days. Thankfully, it will appear justified given that the actual successor to the Redmi 12C is the Redmi 13C, which is the non-5G variant of the same device.